Hi students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see benzoin condensation. First, take down the reaction. You have to take 2 moles of benzaldehyde in the presence of nucleophile. You will get benzoin. Okay, so this is what the reaction. Now I'll tell you the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, so this mechanism is somewhat big mechanism, so you can write it continuously. Okay, so the mechanism is, first I am going to take 1 mole of benzaldehyde. So in this mechanism of benzoin condensation. Okay, so first I am going to take 1 mole of benzaldehyde. C double bond O H. Okay, so in this what happens? The electrons, the bond will form electrons here, and what will be the, and in the presence of Cn minus, in the presence of cyanide, this nucleophile, this is the nucleophile. So this nucleophile will attack this nucleophile will attack this C double bond O, this carbonyl group. Okay, so if this attack this carbonyl group, the product which is formed is, see, so here the bond, it will form electrons here. So in this it will be single bond O, and I am showing the electrons here. Okay, and the same H will be like that only. The Cn will get added here. So I am writing Cn here. Okay, and in this step what happens? In this step what happens? Addition of H plus ion and removal of H plus ion will take place simultaneously. Okay, so what will happen in this step? Addition of H plus ion, okay, removal of H plus and addition of H plus, these two takes place simultaneously. Okay, so how it takes place? This H plus, see, actually this is that electron withdrawing group, you know. So here what happens? This electrons will be taken by means of this carbon. Okay, the electrons will be taken by means of this carbon, and this H will get removed as H plus. So that is what I had shown here. And addition of H plus. So if you are adding H plus here, this H plus, it will combine with this O minus. Have you understood this step? So in the second step, what happens? Addition of H plus and removal of H plus takes place simultaneously. Okay, so this electrons will be taken by means of this carbon, and this hydrogen, it will get removed. So this is taking, so a polarity will be there and it will get removed in in the form of H plus. And if you are adding H plus to this H plus will combine with O minus. Okay, and the product formed will be the same. This one I am writing. So this carbon is taking the electrons, so this will become carbanion, and this Cn will be like that only, and this OH will attack to this O, and it will form OH here. Clear? So this is carbanion. Okay, so this carbanion, it gives a stability. Okay, because the presence of, because due to the presence of this electron withdrawing group, so because of this electron withdrawing group, the charge will be more in this carbon. Okay, the charge will be, there will be increase in the charge on this carbon. Okay, so this is how, because of this reason only it gives stability. Clear? And in next step, what happens? So after the formation of carbanion, here I am going to include another benzaldehyde, because what in reaction what I told you, you have to take 2 moles of benzaldehyde. I had used 1 mole of benzaldehyde in the first step, and after the formation of carbanion, here you have to include 1 benzaldehyde. Okay. So here C double bond O H. So here also the same. The electrons will be taken by means of this oxygen. Okay. And this carbon will become positively charged. Okay. Then what happens? If this carbon will become positively charged, and the charge of this nucleophile is negative. So this nucleophile will combine with this carbon which is positively charged. Okay, so this is what will happen. So in this oxygen will take the electrons and carbon will become positive charge. This positively charged carbon will be attacked by means of this nucleophile. So now you are going to combine these two and will give the product. Okay, so the same I am writing here. C OH, and here it is Cn. So this carbon will combine with the CH, and this O minus, because it is taking the electron, so it will be O minus. And okay, so this is what the product formed. And after this what happens? A transfer of H plus takes place. So the bond between these two, it will become weak. Okay, so you know, because it will take the electrons towards itself, so oxygen will take the electrons towards itself, and the bond between oxygen and hydrogen will become weak. So H will get removed as H plus. So there will be a transfer of H plus from here to here. Okay, so I'll write it as H plus transfer. Transfer of H plus will be there. Okay, so after that what happens? So I'm going to show the transfer of H plus. So the same we have to write it, Cn, and here it will be O minus only. Okay, and here the same CH, and here it will be OH. So in here I had shown the transfer of H from here to here. Clear? And next, this Cn, it acts as a leaving group. Okay, so what the Cn will do, it will take the electrons and it will get removed. Okay, the Cl will get removed. Okay, so now I am going to show the removal of the Cn. Okay, so here it will be C. So in this what happens? Cn will get removed. So this electrons will form bond here. So this will become C double bond O, and the CHOH I am writing the same here, CHOH, and this ring. Okay, so this is what benzoin. Okay, so this what is the role of the Cn? What is the role of the Cn? First of all, the Cn, what is the role of the cyanide? It acts as a nucleophile. It acts as a nucleophile. Okay, and next it gives stability to the carbanion. It stabilizes carbanion. Okay, it stabilizes carbanion, and it is a very good, it acts as a leaving group. Okay, so I told you in that previous step of the formation of benzoin, the cyanide is a electron withdrawing group. It will take the electrons and it will leave from here. Okay, and after that benzoin is formed. So this is what the mechanism of benzoin condensation. So in this, oxygen will take the electrons and this will become negatively charged, and carbon will become positively charged. This positively charged carbon will attack by means of the cyanide, so that you are showing it here. And next what happens, this is the electron withdrawing group. So what the cyanide will do, it will withdraw, it will take the electrons. So first this carbon will take the electrons from here, and in this step an important point is removal of hydrogen and addition of hydrogen takes place simultaneously. So in this, when this carbon taking the electrons, H will get removed in the form of H plus, and here you are, when you are adding H plus, it will go on combined with this O minus. So that is what I showed in that carbanion. Okay, so it is taking the electron, so this is negatively charged, and this is what carbanion. Okay, and next, in this carbanion only you are going to add another mole of benzaldehyde. Okay, and again the same thing, oxygen will take the electrons, carbon will become positively charged, that will be attacked by means of the cyanide. Okay, so that you have to combine with the benzaldehyde, and you should show it here. Next what happens, H plus transfer. So the bond between these two will become weak, and this hydrogen will get removed. This hydrogen will get removed in the form of H plus, and that H plus will go and attack this oxygen. So that is what I wrote it as H plus transfer. Next what happens, the cyanide is a electron withdrawing group, and it will take the electrons and it will leave from here, and then your final product will be benzoin. So this is what benzoin condensation.